Yes. Flirting.
That's why.
Is that it? That's it. But it's continuous for several days. So sometimes it can be, gosh, I've seen females flirt every 5 minutes to try and mate. No, I would say that was less than 5 minutes.
No, she does that. Sometimes that's, yeah. Especially as it gets.
This female, I've only seen her once before. I've never in my life seen one so beautiful as her before. Like, she's just, to me, the most beautiful leopard I've ever seen. But look how massive he is compared to him. It's insane. He's over it. We're just gonna wait, they're gonna leave, that's why we...
Alright, we're gonna head off, thank you.
Hello.
Oh, very considerate. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Mr. Ulrich.
So that's a bushback.
Uh-huh.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
Wow.
So on the left is the dining area.
Here we go. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
This is the dining area. Everything to quench your thirsty.